as Ian's death is real tragedy. Nagigit po yan. Death is death. At napakasakit po yan, lalo-lalo na po itong mga magulang Ian na nandito sa ating harapan ngayon. But rest assured, Mr. Chair, that the DOJ will not tolerate any criminal, much less than any more harm. As a matter of fact, thank you for the statistics given by the General Ayala of the GPNP that out of 550 arrested minor only one, and this is the first time that this